Okay guys, this is a CASP lock that you would see on a double glazing door. It used to be on one of mine. It's a 5-pinner and I've repinned it up as a challenge lock to myself. So that's what the key looks like. Nasty. My filing, that is. So yeah, so that's what it's like, and it's been a while. So it was sitting in my lockbox for a while, so I'll give it a go. I like tension. And it's open. Okay, so that's a CASP lock, double glazing door lock that you would find in the UK. And this side I really mangled that, took the core out. So that's that. So happy picking guys, good luck.